Have you ever found yourself losing interest in routine business tasks or struggling to keep your audience engaged? What if I told you there's a fun and effective way to tackle these challenges? Enter gamification. Gamification is all about incorporating game elements into non-game contexts. It's a powerful tool that can transform mundane tasks into exciting challenges. I'm Elise Michelle Nelson. I'm a YouTube business strategist and lead generator, which means I help you use video to create visibility and generate leads for your business. In this series, we'll be talking about how to gamify your business, including your YouTube channel. One great example of gamification is the use of scavenger hunts. Heineken utilized this in their Crack the US Open campaign. They created a photo scavenger hunt during the tennis tournament, which engaged fans by challenging them to find and solve clues. This interactive experience drove significant engagement and brand interaction. Heineken's campaign increased social media engagement and created a memorable experience for fans. Our second example is a spin the wheel game, and it's a very popular gamification technique and is used by many e-commerce sites. For instance, Shopify stores often use this feature at checkout. Customers spin a digital wheel to win discounts, free shipping, or special bonus items to add to their orders. This strategy not only incentivizes customers to complete their purchases, but also increases engagement and customer satisfaction. On YouTube, you can also create choose your own adventure videos, and these are interactive videos. Basically, it takes them through a story, and at the end, where the end screen shows up, it gives them a choice. So you go to the next video in the series based upon your choice. In the next video in the series, it might say, do you want to fight the dragon or run away? And then you click on the end screen which video you want to go to, and based upon your choice, you'll get another video. And so these are interactive videos. This is this option of doing a choose your own adventure style thing. And it keeps your audience engaged by letting them control the story, increasing watch time and interaction. Interactive videos provide a unique and engaging and gamified way to connect with your audience and keep them coming back for more. It also is great because it's going to show YouTube that people are interested in what you're doing. Not only are they watching the full video, they're clicking on additional videos over and over again, and it really helps the algorithm know who your ideal customer is. Now, before we continue, I want to hear from you. What is one business task that you find boring and would love to gamify? Drop your answers in the comments below. Next, I want to talk about trivia games. Under Armour's Steph IQ trivia game launched during the NBA playoffs and engaged fans by offering prizes for correctly answering questions about the game. This elimination-style trivia, triggered by Steph Curry's three-pointers, boosted both NBA viewership and Under Armour's sales. So this game increased both of their sales. Fans were even more invested in watching the games and participating in the trivia, which led to even increased brand loyalty and engagement. The next example is KFC's Shrimp Attack game. This was a mobile game that was similar to Fruit Ninja, where you swipe through the shrimp as they're falling through the sky, and players could win vouchers to redeem in store, leading to a 106% increase in sales and high voucher redemption rates. So this gamification strategy created a fun and interactive way to promote their new menu item, the shrimp, right? And so this is another way that a brand was able to gamify their system so that they could get more engagement and an increase in sales. Now, don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited about gamifying your business. Subscribe and join me every day for the next 99 days as we dive deeper into this topic and explore practical tips and strategies to keep your business thriving. Trust me, you aren't going to want to miss it. Our next example is a reward system. Whataburger is a local Texas chain that is really good at having a gamification through a tiered reward system. So essentially, you've seen this with lots of different fast food chains. They have points that you earn as you make a purchase, and then you can redeem those points for free items. As a matter of fact, my daughter usually uses our points to go buy stuff, so we don't even have to pay for her food when she goes to Whataburger. This is a great way to increase customer loyalty and to get more sales. Next, M&M created a very simple yet effective I Spy game to promote their pretzel-flavored M&Ms. Basically, they had all these images on the screen of M&Ms, and there was one pretzel among them. And when you found that pretzel, you won the prize, right? And so what this did for them is that it's increased their engagement on social media with 25,000 new likes and 10,000 comments on Facebook. This fun, engaging game captured the audience's attention and boosted brand interaction. These are all great strategies that you can use to gamify your business so that your audience is more engaged. But gamification isn't just for your audience. It's for you too. Imagine turning your marketing tasks into fun games that keep you motivated and excited. Over the next 99 days, we'll be exploring different ways to gamify your business tasks, including marketing, to make your journey more enjoyable and productive. Drop your industry below so that I can use your business as an example as we learn how to gamify your marketing. I'll see you tomorrow for more awesome tips on how to gamify your business. I'm so glad we get to live our dreams together every single day. I hope to see you then. Bye.